children, today I'm going to teach you how to power your Arduino board and open your Arduino software. Okay, so see, this is your Arduino board. This is your microcontroller with which you are going to do the program. Okay, so this is the USB cord, and I'm now going to connect it to my computer or my laptop. Okay, see, once I have connected it, you will see a green light glowing. Okay, it means that your Arduino board has powered up and it is ready to work. And since I've already written some program into it, there is some the inbuilt LED is glowing. Okay, the inbuilt LED is also glowing. So now I'll show you how to open the Arduino software and do the programming. Okay, I'll go to the start, and here you have the Arduino software. Okay, so I click software icon. Okay, I'll click on the software icon. This is an open source code. That means any Arduino board, if it is a branded one or that you have assembled one that comes in the market from the market. Okay, any board can be, any Arduino board type can be programmed using this open source Arduino software. Okay, it takes some time to open. Yes, see, this is called your sketch. What is it? This is called your sketch. This is the sketch or the sketchbook. Okay, like your book where you have a lot of pages, you write on it. Similarly, this is your sketch book and this is your sketch, today's sketch. Okay, here you have void setup. Void setup is used for writing the code that you will execute only once in your program. Okay, it will get executed only once in your program. And see, this is the void function, and you have the code of this function inside this parenthesis. And here next you have void loop. What is loop? Loop means executing continuously or repeatedly. Okay, that means running the code repeatedly. The code that you write inside this loop function. This is called a loop function. Okay, since it has a bracket at the end, it is called a loop function. And the code that you write inside this parenthesis will get executed again and again till your microcontroller board is switched off. Okay, whereas the setup function will run only once, that is when the Arduino board is powered on, and this loop will continue running again and again till the board is switched off. Okay, so now let's get started. By first, we will check whether our Arduino board is on the connection with the software. Okay, for that we have to check with the tools and menus here. See, this is called the file menu. Okay, this file menu, here you have a new, that is, if you click, you will have a new. See, I will have a new sketch open. Okay, so I can, if you want, I can close it. Next, open. Open means it will take you to the place where your codings are already, the previous codings that you have written will already be stored in the library. If you want, you can take it from the library, or your previous programs will also be here. So if you want, you can open it from there. Otherwise, you can create a new one, okay? If you don't want. Then open recent programs, your sketchbook examples. There are a lot of examples that are already being given for your practice. If you want, you can use this, okay? Close, that is, you can close the sketchbook. If you want, you will save the sketch. Save as and save are the same. Save as saves the same sketch with other name, with another name, okay? Page setup and print are used for taking print of this program, okay? And finally, you have the quit if you want to exit from this sketchbook or the Arduino program. And in edit, you have all the menus that you want to edit your program. And then for the sketch, where you have first the compile or verify. You have to verify your program before executing it, before downloading it into your software. Why? Because into your Arduino board, because if your program is running correct or all the codings are without any syntax error, then your Arduino board will execute the code correctly and you will get the required output. Otherwise, you will have some junk output that you won't prefer, right? And upload. Generally, we talk about download, right? What is download? When you try to bring in something, when you try to bring a data from your internet to your laptop, you call it as download, right? But what is upload? You are moving your program into your Arduino board. You are uploading your program into your Arduino board. That is called as upload. Okay. We generally use upload. Okay. And in tools, you have, see, only one thing you have to remember. See, in tools, you have what is called as serial monitor. If you want to open your serial monitor, you can open like this. See, yeah, perfect. See, I've already done some programming and just printing some designs here. So it is showing the designs. See, the designs have been printed only once. Okay, this design is being printed only once. That means the program that I have written isn't stored in the setup. Okay, the program that I have written the code in the setup. So my design has been printed on the serial monitor only once. So I have done a program to print this kind of a design on my serial monitor, and I've written the code inside the setup where the setup is run only once. Okay, so if I want, I can close this. And if I again the output, and I cannot see the output again. Whereas if I put that in my loop, even if I clear the output, I can see the designs again and again. Okay, that is being executed by my Arduino board. And next, I have the main thing that we look for is the board type. We have to select what kind of a board we are using. That is Arduino UNO board. Okay, I'll select that. And in tools, you have port. Okay, if your Arduino board is not connected to your computer properly, this will not be highlighted. So you can just see this will get highlighted only if an Arduino board is recognizable. Okay, so if I want to know what kind of an Arduino board I have connected to this COM port 3, I can get info of the board. Okay, from here I can get the board info. See, this is Arduino UNO board, spin ID and serial number also is given. Okay, So this is with the tools, and what kind of a programmer I'm using, all those things are here. Okay.